Hi there, it's Asia. How can you understand 100% of IELTS listening? Today I want to share with you some techniques that I used to develop my listening skills when I was learning English. And I believe they helped me greatly because the first time I took the exam, my overall score was 7.5, but my listening score was 9. Okay, let's get started. I call the first method listen, read, listen. So you need to find a short audio in English, about 3 minutes, and its transcript, the written text. So first of all, you listen to the recording once or twice, and you try to understand as much as you can. Then you take the transcript and you listen to the recording again while following what's been said on paper or on the screen. If a certain moment is difficult for you, please pause the recording, listen to it again. If you can't guess the meaning of a certain word from the context, you can check it up in the dictionary. Once you've done that, listen to the recording again without the transcript. And only use it if you encounter a moment where you still don't understand what's been said. Then find the transcript, read that bit, and listen to it again. And do that until you understand everything in the recording. What should you listen to? Well, if you have the official practice test from Cambridge English, I mean a book like that, then after you've taken the practice test, you can use the audio and the transcript in the book to practice. Also on YouTube, there is a channel BBC Learning English, and they have a great playlist with 3-minute news. And the transcript is written on the screen. So if you don't need it, just don't look at the screen. The second technique is to play with speed. Take a short audio and listen to it at the normal speed. And then slow it down to 0.75 or even 0.5. And suddenly you'll be able to understand much more. And then listen to it again at the normal speed and you will still be able to hear things. And after that, try to accelerate it to 0.25. They'll be speaking really fast, but you will still hear everything. This technique will really help your ears to get used to faster speech. Basically, it really matters how much time you spend listening to things in English. And I think you can spend at least an hour a day listening to English without changing anything in your routine. Do you know how? By turning boring time into listening time. When you are commuting to work or studies, when you are cooking food or waiting for someone, you could listen to an audiobook in English. For years, I thought I don't have any time to read entertaining books. But actually, I can listen to 2 books a month. So all the books you can see are what I've listened to since mid-October. That's when I discovered Audible. When you join, you get 1 book for free. And then you need to start paying monthly fee. It varies from country to country, and it includes 1 book a month. If you decide to cancel your subscription before the first payment is due, you can still keep your free audiobook. And if you decide to join Audible, please use the link in the description box below. It will allow me to earn a small commission. I'm gonna leave some recommendations for you too. 2 entertaining books and 2 self-development books read with British and American accents. Thank you for watching me today. Good luck with your preparation and your exam. Bye!